Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Sling TV app on your PlayStation 5 console, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream live television and on-demand content on your gaming system. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation 5 console and ensure it's connected to the internet. Navigate to the PlayStation Store from your PS5 home screen. Step 2. In the PlayStation Store, use the search function to look for Sling TV. Select the Sling TV app from the search results when it appears. Step 3. Download and install the Sling TV app on your PS5. The download size is relatively small, so it should complete quickly on a good internet connection. Step 4. After installation is complete, return to your PS5 home screen and locate the Sling TV app in your Games and Apps library. Select it to launch the application. Step 5. When the Sling TV app opens, you'll see options to sign in or start a free trial. If you already have a Sling TV account, select Sign In. Step 6. The app will display a unique activation code on your TV screen. Keep the screen open as you'll need the code to activate your device. Step 7. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and visit sling.com, activate or the URL shown on your PS5 screen. Log in to your Sling TV account with your email and password. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your PS5 into the website and click Activate or Submit. Return to your PS5 and the Sling TV app should automatically refresh and display your channel lineup. You can now watch live TV and access on-demand content through your PlayStation 5. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.